Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith Wilson from DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video, and today we will go over how to remove scratches from clear coat. Not deep scratches that go all the way down to the paint, but not superficial scratches either. We'll be using Turtle Wax Scratch Renew Remover. You could purchase it, I'm pretty sure, at any local AutoZone, Walmart, who else carries it? Any auto supply. It's great stuff. In the background, I know you see the wizards. There we had a little bit of a camera malfunction. It takes about 45 rubs, if you will, back and forth in order to work the product incorrectly. And I'm in the process of doing that right there. I have multiple rotating or random orbital polishers, but I decided to show it this way just to show that it's possible. There's my microfiber towel, wiping it off. Has a great shine at the end. I think there's still some fine scratches, but you're gonna see, I mean, the reflection is pretty ridiculous. Ridiculous meaning I think it looks good. Let me know.
And
There's my little
it's getting
helper,
late,
Alita.
and I'm out.